everybody. My name is Aragautam Kamble, and today I am going to tell you about Professor Rajendra Singh's life. India's scientific journey boasts of remarkable individuals who not only made significant contributions to their fields but also served as catalysts for future generations. Among them, Rajendra Singh, also known as Raju Bhaiya, stands out for their unique marks and lasting impact. Rajendra Singh, an inspiring educator and leader. Raju Bhaiya's brilliance in physics was evident from a young age. His exceptional performance in his MSc exam caught the eye of none other than Nobel laureate Sir C.V. Raman. So impressed by Raju Bhaiya's potential, that he offered him a fellowship to delve deeper into nuclear physics, for a field crucial for India's scientific development. However, Raju Bhaiya chose a different path: education. He joined Allahabad University and ignited passion for physics in countless students. His gift for education, his gift for clear and engaging instruction, made even the most complex scientific topics accessible. Students thrived under his tutelage, their understanding deepening with every lecture. Raju Bhaiya's leadership qualifi- qual- qual- Raju Bhaiya's leadership qualities extended beyond the classroom. His peers recognized his potential, and he rose to the position of the head of the physics department at Allahabad University. This appointment cemented his role as a significant figure in the academic sphere. Despite these accolades, there's still a relative scarcity of well-documented scientific publications directly attributed to Raju Bhaiya. In the mid 1960s, he dedicated himself fully to the RSS, a decision that likely limited his scientific pursuits. Raju Bhaiya's legacy, inspiring future generations. Though groundbreaking discoveries might not be solely credited to him, Raju Bhaiya's choice to pursue physics in India's nascent scientific landscape holds immense value. He ventured into a field where qualified professionals were rare, and in doing so, likely inspired countless students. His dedication to effective teaching might have sparked a love for science in many young minds, subtly shaping the trajectory of future scientific exploration in India. Thank you for listening. Let's honor their memory by keeping their values alive in our heart and action.